I am a warrior. Warrior can't feel his face.
Marvin Mange always wanted to help people. But nothing ever came easy.
Dimples got out again.
I let him out.
Until a tragic accident.
That wasn't so bad.
And a groundbreaking medical experiment brought him back to life.
I'm Marvin.
I'm Rihanna. Is something wrong? Nice catch.
What's in me? When I found you, you were more dead than alive. And the only way to save you was my radical trans-species-ectomy.
What's that mean?
I put animal parts in you.
What? I'm an animal Frankenstein.
My lord.
I'll get this back to you. Just wash it out first.
Now he's trying to blend in and act human
Give me a paw.
before his animal instincts take control.
Yeah, this baby's nailed down tight.
From the producing team that brought you Deuce Bigelow. On June 1st,
You know, there's something about you. I cannot figure it out.
crime has a dangerous new enemy.
There's some kind of a beast out there.
Law enforcement has a powerful new ally.
Somebody help my boy!
And livestock